The beautiful new Peninsula Ballroom here at the Renaissance Orlando at SeaWorld will play host to Powder Coating Week in 2020 from February 17th to the 20th. We'll have the Powder Coating 2020 Technical Conference and Tabletop Exhibition, the Powder Coating 101 Workshop, the Custom Coater Forum, and many other exciting technology sessions for you to attend.
The culture at this conference is unlike any other that we've ever been to in the fact that people want to help.
Just such a wealth of knowledge and experience in the room.
We all get to see the other people in the industry, not just the other suppliers, but also the customers.
The overwhelming success and positive feedback that we've received about last year's event prove that going to Orlando was the right thing to do for powder coating.
The gambit of services and people that were represented here are just off the chart.
It's the place you'll want to be in 2020 from February 17th to the 20th.
Powder Coating 2020. Be there.
Be there.
Be there. Be there.